Notice: our courses are taught in English. If you want to see subtitles in other languages, first, we open the Subtitles closed captions at the bottom right of the video. Then click Setting and select Subtitles (CC) and click Auto Translate. Now you can choose your preferred language from the list. Hi everyone. Today I would like to introduce some easily damaged parts of the Antminer V9 hashboard. This chip is the ASIC chip, BM1580L3. If it is damaged, it will cause the hashboard to have low hash rate or even zero hash rate. These two chips are MOS tubes TPHR9003NL. After the MOS tubes damaged, it will cause the voltage of the whole step-down circuit to be abnormal. Let's look at this chip, LM27402S. It's a step-down controller. Once this chip is damaged, the entire step-down circuit will be abnormal. The chip here is a PIC chip. If it is damaged, the power supply will not be able to supply power to the following domains through the MOS tube. This chip with 5 pins is 1.8 volt LDO tube. If the chip is damaged, it will affect the normal operation of the ASIC chip corresponding to the current domain. This chip, with 5 pins, is also a 1.8 volt LDO tube, which is powered by the boost circuit. After it is damaged, it will not be able to provide the required power to the domain's chips. SGM3750, a 650 kHz boost converter for driving LEDs in series. If it goes wrong, the whole boost circuit will be abnormal. Okay, that's all. Thank you for viewing.